Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Revolve, Sweep, Shell, and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint, okay? And the first thing that we make, we'll create a line here in the center with 300 millimeters and create a line here with 60 millimeters, okay? And we will create this profile and we'll put dimensions later, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select a line, click here at the midpoint, make a line here with 300 millimeters. Make a line here with 60 millimeters. Make another line here. Okay, we made this. This line here has 45 millimeters of length. The angle between this line here and the center line is 20 degrees. So go to sketch dimension, 45 millimeters here, the angle here, 20 degrees, okay, we made this. Now we have a fillet here and a fillet here. The fillet here, 60 millimeters of radius and here 20 millimeters of radius, okay. So go to fillet, make a fillet here, 60 millimeters and make a fillet here with 20 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select this line here. Operation New Body and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will select the front plane and make the rail for the sweep. Okay, so we will create this sketch here. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create and select project include project. Selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here. I will hide this body a little bit. Okay. And here we'll make a construction line here in the center. And we'll make this line here. We'll make this sketch, okay? We'll put the dimensions later, no problem. Select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here in the center. And select line again, but remove the construction line type. Make a sketch like this. Okay. And here we'll make a point here. So go to create, select a point, make this point coincident here, okay? This point is coincident with this purple line and coincident with this line. And the distance between this point and this face here is 70 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this edge here is 30 millimeters, okay? So go to sketch dimension, the distance here is 70 millimeters and the distance here 30 millimeters, okay? This line here has 100 millimeters of length and the angle between this line here and this one is 135 degrees. So it has 100 millimeters and the angle here 135, okay? The angle between this line here and this one is 110. So let's create this. Remove the perpendicular here. The angle here 110 degrees, okay? And here, just to close this sketch, we'll make a dimension here. 35 millimeters, no problem. Okay, we made this. And here we need to make a fillet here and here with 25 millimeters of radius, okay? So go to fillet, 25 millimeters, and 25 millimeters here, okay? We made this, finish the sketch, and go to create a new sketch and select the left plane here or right plane, okay, no problem. And here go to create and select the project included, project, and selection filter, select specified entities, select this point here and press OK. I will hide the sketch tool a little bit. We have this point, and in this point we will make this rectangle 30 by 10 millimeters, okay? So select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here at the midpoint, 10 by 30 millimeters, okay? And here we have a fillet in the four edges, in the four corners here with 2 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, make a fillet here with 2 millimeters, okay? We made this, finish the sketch, show the sketch tool, we have this, and go to create and select sweep, the profile, select this profile, and the path, select this line here, okay? Show the body one, and the operation here is join. And press OK. We made this, okay? Now here, we will remove some material here. So the thickness here will be 8 millimeters, okay? We have 8 millimeters in this side and 8 here, okay? So go to modify, select shell. The face that we want to remove, select this face here. And the inside the thickness, select 8 millimeters and press OK. I will make a section analysis here. We made this, okay. And to finish this exercise, we needed to make the fillets. So we have a fillet here with 4 millimeters of radius and a fillet here with 2 millimeters of radius, okay? So go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 4 millimeters and add selection set, select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Okay, so here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.